Hi, I'm Fox from Fox and Kit WoodWorks. It's been a while since I've actually been able to get on and do a video for you guys. I know I was trying to make one at least once a week, whether it was a short or a review or even my Fox Den videos. It's been a really busy end of 2024 and into 2025. We had a lot of family in town for the holidays, plus transitioning our daughter back to school after being on break. So between all the different things with Kit 1 and then Kit 2 being 5 months old and all the fun that comes with that, I just haven't really had a chance to be able to put a video together. I've had lots of great ideas, been thinking a lot about different things that I'd like to be able to put out there, but just haven't had the time. So I figured I'd get a video out just kind of explaining to you what was going on, but also more importantly, wishing you a belated Merry Christmas and a belated Happy New Year. And going forward, I'm going to try to put time during the week out of the way, put some time during the week out there so that I can actually do these videos. First video I actually am going to do is going to be a review of the Caldwell Emax Shadow Pros. There's some ear protection, wireless earbuds. I have the previous version and I want to do a review on the new ones. I'm going to do an unboxing with it. I also have some ideas going forward of still doing project builds and doing like the keychain holder, things like that. But also, I would really like to have your guys' feedback of what you would like to see done. I know there's only 33 of you out there right now. I would love to get some more subscribers, so make sure you hit that notification button, subscribe, and pass it along to your friends. I'm just a stay-at-home dad, started his woodworking business out of his garage, still working out of the garage, and I'd love to be able to figure out some content for other dads, moms, kids, whatever, out there starting their own woodworking business or even small business to join in and tag along and see where I've had success, where I haven't had success, and things I've had to overcome and some of those hurdles in the way. So anyways, hope you all have a great day. Stay safe.